What you get: 2-pack 3FT Mfi certified iPhone charging cables in assorted lengths. Replace your iPhone accessories cables or add another iPhone cord for home, work or travel. Mfi Certified. Each cable contains a unique, verified serial number and an authorization chip issued by Apple to ensure 100% compatibility with any Lightning device. Durability. Nylon braided thread is tightly woven. Reinforced stress points with a 10,000+ bend lifespan make Powerline many times more durable than iPhone cables else on the market. The iPhone charger is easy to sort out, not to knot or tangle. Fast charge and data transfer. Great performance makes sure that your devices syncs and charge simultaneously. Ordinary cable about 2 times of 2.4A output. Charge faster and save your charging time as well as work well for more devices. Compatibility. iPhone charger compatible with iPhone 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro, 11 XS, iPhone Max, iPhone XR, iPhone X, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 8, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 7, iPhone 6s Plus, iPhone 6s, iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 6, iPhone 5s, iPhone 5C, iPhone 5, iPad Pro, iPad Air, Air 2, iPad Mini, Mini 2, Mini 4, iPad 4th Gen, iPod.Touch 5th Gen. Each cable was updated to match the iPhone system. Connector type: USB Type A. Compatible devices: tablet. Top reviews from the United States. Works as described. I've been using this in my vehicle for CarPlay. No issues. Works as described. Perfect length for vehicle use. Gave it 3 stars for charging power because the charge isn't super fast and I'm not really sure how quickly it should charge. Would purchase again. Great value.